Today, the 4th October 2020, here comes the arrival of Major General Ayekeh, precisely at Mokmbin, to install the new general. Here you can see the squad of the new general who have been installed today, the 4th October 2020, at Mokmbin, precisely. Yes, General Mike, the new appointed general. What can you say to your people?
Okay. My main mission is to secure the civilians of Mokmbin and Alo as a whole. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, General Mike. Thank you for your word and your speech. So, Major, King of the Forest, Major General Ayekeh, man past gone, what can you say to your new appointed general and the population?
Yes, this is alias man past God, King of the Forest. Nobody dares me. Soldier go, soldier come, barrack remain. This is Mokmbin. I want to tell the Mokmbin people. I learned that you people have been killing leaders in this village. But today, I came to install a new and a strong leader. And I'm promising you people, all the black legs in Mokmbin, I'll sort you people out. Who shall have me confident? This is my boy. I trust him. He will walk those black legs. As for the civilians, they will have peace. They will sleep with peace in their houses. As a Kelebe and black legs are concerned, he will deal with them. He will deal with them. Why? As from today, I transfer you the power to govern them. Make sure you protect the civilians. Give them enough security. Black leg, you handle them as I taught you.